On screen is the complete folder structure of our enterprise-grade stateful agentic AI system for infrastructure health monitoring. This architecture is designed for real-world production environments where AI agents collaborate to diagnose infrastructure failures across AWS cloud resources and on-premise servers. The agents folder contains specialized reasoning units such as planner, retriever, executor, and reviewer agents. Each agent performs a unique cognitive task. The API folder exposes REST endpoints using Fast API, enabling chat-based interaction, health checks, and session control. The config directory manages environment settings, credentials, and runtime variables. Under models, Pydantic schemas validate structured input and output. The services folder contains integrations with AWS Bedrock, OpenSearch, DynamoDB, SSH tooling, and CloudWatch metrics. The Infra_graph folder orchestrates workflow state transitions using LangGraph. Most importantly, Amazon DynamoDB serves as persistent memory, storing conversations, incident history, approvals, and remediation outcomes. This stateful memory allows the agent to remember context across sessions, turning it into an evolving infrastructure copilot rather than a simple stateless chatbot. Every enterprise system needs a bootstrap layer, and in our architecture that responsibility belongs to the root main.py file. This file initializes the entire runtime environment. During startup, Python loads environment variables, validates cloud credentials, initializes logging, and registers all API routes. The Fast API server is launched and middleware is attached for authentication, observability, and rate limiting. At the same time, AWS clients are created for Bedrock, DynamoDB, and CloudWatch. LangGraph workflows are compiled so agent orchestration becomes available immediately. Think of this bootstrap layer as the operating system of the agent platform. Without it, individual components would remain isolated modules unable to communicate. Production systems often run multiple replicas in Kubernetes or ECS clusters, making startup reliability essential. Bootstrap logic also ensures fault tolerance by failing fast if secrets, permissions, or required services are missing. Once initialization completes, the infrastructure health assistant becomes ready to accept user requests, orchestrate reasoning, retrieve telemetry, access memory, and coordinate multi-agent workflows for intelligent infrastructure diagnostics. Configuration management becomes increasingly critical as systems scale across environments such as development, QA, staging, and production. Hard-coding secrets or infrastructure parameters quickly becomes unmanageable and dangerous. Our config layer centralizes all runtime settings using environment-driven configuration. AWS regions, Bedrock model identifiers, OpenSearch endpoints, DynamoDB table names, SSH credentials, API keys, and feature flags are loaded from secure environment variables. Pydantic settings helps enforce validation so invalid or missing configuration causes early failure instead of silent runtime errors. This dramatically improves reliability. Secure secrets are typically stored in AWS Secrets Manager or HashiCorp Vault rather than plain environment files in production. The configuration layer also supports multi-region deployment and disaster recovery by allowing runtime switching of infrastructure resources. As more agents and services are added, centralized configuration ensures consistency and operational simplicity. In enterprise AI systems, configuration is not just convenience. It is foundational to security, reproducibility, and deployment automation across distributed environments. The agents package acts as the cognitive core of our architecture. Instead of a monolithic AI component, we separate responsibilities into multiple specialized agents. The package initializer ensures all agent classes are imported and available to the orchestration layer with clean modular boundaries. This approach improves maintainability, testing, and extensibility. Each agent focuses on a single class of reasoning. The planner decomposes tasks, the retriever gathers evidence, the executor performs actions, and the reviewer validates outputs. This modular design mirrors how teams of human specialists collaborate in operations centers. Package initialization also simplifies dependency injection, enabling shared access to LLM clients, telemetry services, and memory stores. As the system evolves, additional agents such as security auditors, cost optimizers, or anomaly detectors can be added without rewriting core architecture. This extensibility is one of the major strengths of agentic systems. Rather than building a single oversized AI, we compose intelligent behavior through coordinated specialist agents with clearly defined roles and communication boundaries. The planner agent is responsible for transforming vague human intent into structured execution steps. Users rarely provide fully detailed instructions. Instead, they ask questions like, "Why is my application slow?" or "Investigate this EC2 CPU spike." The planner interprets these requests and decomposes them into actionable steps. For example, CPU investigation may require collecting metrics, checking processes, reviewing logs, validating dependencies, and correlating recent deployments. Planning transforms unstructured language into deterministic workflow steps. This reduces ambiguity for downstream agents and creates explainable reasoning chains. The planner uses LLM reasoning combined with operational rules to prioritize investigation paths based on severity, historical incidents, and infrastructure topology. It also considers safety constraints and whether human approval is required before certain actions. Good planning dramatically reduces wasted compute and irrelevant retrieval. In many agentic systems, planning quality determines overall system intelligence. A weak planner leads to poor tool usage, while a strong planner creates efficient and context-aware decision flows for the entire multi-agent architecture. With this, we conclude this episode where we started digging into a real production framework for agentic AI. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will open up the other folders and dig into brand new AI architectures. Until then, stay curious.